Today on Messy Garage, I'm going to put a key fob case protector or whatever on my Indian key fob, and I use one on my car also. It just protects these. These are pretty expensive. They're more expensive on the car than they are on the bike, but still, it's nice to keep it in pristine condition. Plus, what I'm going to put on it also has like a belt loop thing that you can, wear it so you don't have to worry about it in your pocket. So let me get set up. Pretty easy install. I'll leave a link in the description of where to get these, but it's pretty easy. So let's get started. All right, here's the box, and I got this off of Amazon, and they come in aluminum, like raw aluminum color, and a black also. I went for the shinier aluminum, even though my bike's all blacked out, just because otherwise it doesn't look like there's anything on there. So here's a little strap that goes on it. I don't know if it's leather or leather-like, but it's there nonetheless. So here's what it is. Just a piece of metal that's going to go around that. So comes with the tool, and it looks like an extra screw. It's a little screw right here. Use the tool that comes with it. And then there's a groove that I imagine is for this light here. Just line that up. And you just put it together. Not real tough. I think it'll get you about 5 or 10 horsepower with this mod. That's it. Just take this out off the little ball right there. Put that through. It's got like a little carabiner type of thing on your belt loop, and there you go. That's it. Not much to it. I thought it was kind of cool. Figured I'd try it out. What's the worst that can happen? So I'll leave a link in the description. These come in black and silver. Go ahead and pick one up, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go. Click on some other videos, but go home.